idibdib. Ibig sabihin,
Habang nga ba ang usapang
may
sabi
mga
ko, Juan?
problema na masolbar mo rin ang mga problems mo. Kung hindi mo isipin na isipin ang problema. Sa wakas daw, masolbar. Mga problema,
Takes care by itself.
solbar.
Nasabi ko to, Juan.
Oh boy.
8 cents per minute na lang.
Maganda si Charo ng kay clothes. Ayaw ko nang malita masyadong magulo. Doon sa aking laundry, kung tupiin mo lang, ilagay yung nasa kuwan. Oh, sa yung aking basket, doon mo ilagay
But
yung mga...
the luggage is for your, you save it. I think you should just keep that for your kind of storage.
Kasi,
Storage for something you're not gonna use.
Kasi kung
That's what it means.
baka magsikip na doon sa ni Lynn. Mabuti itong mga bagbag, isok-sok lang doon sa mga hindi niya maanuhan. Pero yung mga malitang ganun, meron pa akong silya, meron pa ito.
Alright.
O itong mga ganito, sa pan ko pa ilagay yan.
Okay.
Sa bag na lang, paper bag.
Okay.
O mayroon akong dalawang, yung sa medicine ko, at saka yung mga ni Josie dyan, mga panakot.
Like he's gonna bring a paper plastic bag or something?
Oo, dahil, na yan kung mga mag-travel, marami si Josie doong mga bag-bag
Okay.
Oo.
Alright.
Ang bag ko lang ang dalhin yung dating na sablo,
Okay.
saka yung
Well, let's put all of these things away.
Kaya mamayang gabi, pa ako.
You're gonna use
Aw.
this?
Oo.
Yes,
So,
I
that
know.
is yours. That is yours para may daga kayo. When the rice is gone, may rice pa doon.
Okay.
So, you can have the bed, ha?
Oh, they're back. What did they open? Ooh, they opened this
What's
thing
that?
again.
The rat is back.
Yeah, he opened that thing again.
What is that?
Just the cooking, this thing. Couldn't get in, so that's all he ate.
He only seems to get stuff on the ground, huh?
Yeah, thankfully. Okay.
So, just
It's a gentleman rat.
Here.
I will give you adobo.
I already got one.
Yeah?
I already got
Yung, ha?
adobo mix.
At saka sinigang.
There's no sinigang, just adobo.
Ano, ilan yan?
2.
Ilan na lang ito lahat.
No, you're good. It's not gonna use them all.
Ha?
I'm not gonna be using them all. You're gonna use that over
O
there.
yung chicken.
Chicken bouillon.
Yan, 1/2 din kung ano ka.